In this question, we are given two charged ball. When suspended in air, the string makes angle 30 degree with each other in equilibrium position, and when they are kept in a liquid, in that case also the angle remains same, and we are asked to find the dielectric constant of this liquid. Density of object is given this and density of liquid is this. So let us solve this question. So let us take first the case of vacuum or air. In this case, the two charged ball will repel each other with force F, and we are interested in the equilibrium of a particular ball, left ball. Here is a mg downward and a tension force, let us call tension to be T1, and this angle be theta. Here theta will be 15 degree. So for equilibrium we can say force in vertical will balance. T1 cos theta is equal to mg and T1 sin theta is equal to F. Now when I divide second equation by first, I will get tan theta is equal to F upon mg. This is our first equation for the equilibrium of ball in air. Now let us take the case when the whole system is submerged in a liquid. So in case of liquid, we know that the force reduces by a factor called as the dielectric constant, and in the question this dielectric constant of liquid is asked. As the distance is as it is given in the question that this angle doesn't change, so same angle will be inside the liquid, and is the angle, when the angle is same, length is same, so distance is same, only the force will change by a factor of dielectric constant. So inside liquid, force, electrostatic force will reduce by this factor, gravitational force will still act, but there will be a buoyancy force in upward direction. And let us take tension to be T2. This angle will be as it is same because it is given in the question that the angle remains same. Let us first calculate the buoyancy force. Buoyancy force have formula density of liquid into V submerged into G. Now we have to substitute the value here. So density of liquid, V submerged is the whole volume of the object, and volume of object is the mass of object upon density of object into G. From this expression we can see that buoyancy force is the density of liquid upon density of object into mg. Now density of liquid is 0.8, density of object is 1.6, so we can write it as 0.8 upon 1.6 mg. So it is mg by 2. So the buoyancy force is mg by 2 in upward direction. We can write it as mg by 2. So applying Newton's law in horizontal and vertical direction, so we have T2 sin theta is equal to F by epsilon r, which is the dielectric constant of the medium, and T2 cos theta plus mg by 2 is equal to mg. That means T2 cos theta is equal to mg by 2. Now dividing this by this, we will get tan theta as F upon dividing this by this. So F by epsilon r mg into 2 here. Now left hand side of first equation is equal with the left hand side of second equation. So equating the right hand side, what we will get is written here, F by mg is equal to 2F upon epsilon r mg. Mg get cancelled, so epsilon r is equal to 2. So in this way the dielectric constant of medium comes out to be equal to 2. Dielectric constant is a dimensionless unit S, so its value is 2. That is all the answer of this question.